Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're going to be unboxing my loyalty orders from Young Living for June and July, and then I also have some free items that I got when I spent some of my loyalty points. So for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. They have lots of oil infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have nutritional items and supplements. They have products that are oil infused that are for babies, children, men, women, all kinds of personal care products and things like that. So each month I put in an order that they call a loyalty order, which means that I'm committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And so each month I go in and I change those products to be whatever I need them to be. It's usually a combination of essential oils, household cleaning products, personal care products, and nutritional supplements. So we're going to get into all these packages to see what I got. So we're going to start with the June box. So because I've been with Young Living for so long, my monthly orders tend to be a little bit smaller. So I combined a couple months together because things have been busy this summer with vacations, and then we've had family over, and so I had to put this off for a little bit. But let's see what I got for June. All right, so first off is something that I get about every other month. It is the Art Refreshing Toner. I love this toner. It says, Art Refreshing Toner gently tones without drying the skin. The perfect blend of essential oils leaves your face clean and refreshed. And this is something I use as part of my morning skincare routine. And it has some really great essential oils in it. It has Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, Peppermint, Frankincense, Lavender, Lemon, and Melissa essential oils, which is really nice. And if I understand right, ART stands for Age Refining Technology, so this has been really good for my skin. Next is something that my daughter loves, and it is the Lavender Calming Bath Bombs. And so there are 4 bath bombs in this package. And so it says, these nourishing bath bombs bring the soothing aroma of lavender to your bathtub. Made with naturally derived ingredients and rich in minerals, they'll leave your skin soft and smooth. And so it says it's a vegan formula made without parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic colors, synthetic fragrances, or animal-derived ingredients. And the directions say to drop 1 bath bomb into the tub filled with warm water, and then lie back and enjoy an amazing, luxurious bathing experience. And so we've had these several times. There's also a Stress Away bath bomb that smells really nice as well. And then I have a couple little tubes. Well, first of all, this one is empty, and it's because my husband got in and he took out the Shutran Beard Oil. We order one of those monthly for him, and he had ran out, so he opened up this tube, so it's empty. So the Shutran Beard Oil is really nice. It smells really great because it has the Shutran Essential Oil blend in it, and I keep saying I would love to get that Shutran Essential Oil blend. It's a little pricey though, so I haven't gotten it yet. But let me tell you what's in that oil blend. All right, so the Shutran Essential Oil has Idaho Blue Spruce, Ocotea, Ylang Ylang, Hinoki, Coriander, Davana, Lavender, Cedarwood, Lemon, and Northern Lights Black Spruce, and it smells really nice. I think that would make a really nice men's cologne. And then the other little tube, which is really tiny, and they have labeled it, is my good old trusty Thieves Essential Oil Blend. So in the spring and summer, I tend to do a lot of diffusing of like the citrus oils and the tropical scents and things like that. But I always keep Thieves on hand because I like to diffuse it at night with Raven Essential Oil. Thieves is great for supporting the respiratory system. It's great for immune support. And so there's lots of ways that you can use Thieves. You can make a roller ball out of it and apply it to the feet to help support your immunity. But like I said, I got this to use in the nighttime diffuser with Raven. So let me read to you about Thieves real quick. All right, so it says, Thieves Essential Oil Blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol. And its ingredients are clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and Eucalyptus radiata. So not only does it support the immune system, but it's great in the diffuser because it has that really nice fall winter scent, and we just love it. And so that is it for my June order. Let's get into my July order next. So my July order came in a bag like this. And so let me put the packing slip to the side. All right, so let's see what I got. First off is, the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. And so I love Young Living's bath and shower gels. They make for a really nice, like a shave gel. That's kind of how I use it. I tend to rotate between the Lavender Bath and Shower Gel and the Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel. This one says infused with peppermint, lemongrass, rosemary, and juniper essential oils. Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel has a refreshing, uplifting scent. Its mild plant-based formula lathers easily and leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and clean. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. And so it's just a really great bath and shower gel. So I usually get one of those almost every month. Next is a tube. All right, so here is that Shutran Beard Oil that I was talking about. And since I ordered it in June, here's the one that I ordered for July. And like I said, my husband uses one of these monthly, and so I always have one in my loyalty order. I have several little tubes here. Another favorite of mine, the Orange Essential Oil. This is a single, where Thieves is a blend of different essential oils. This one just is a nice oil to have because it blends well with lots of different essential oils, and so I use this one year round. It's great for fall, winter, spring, or summer diffuser blends, so it's just a really nice one to have, and it smells really good. Another little tube. This tube had peppermint in it, and so I was running low on peppermint. Peppermint's just a really good one. I love to use peppermint for lots of different reasons. It's great in the diffuser. I like to add it with lemon and lavender for that trio that they talk about. This is a good one to like kind of dab on your temples or your forehead if you're feeling like you need some support. This is a good one also to make like a carpet freshener if you want to freshen up your home. So peppermint just has lots of good uses. And it's a single just like the orange. Another small tube. And another favorite essential oil single is lime. I've been doing a lot of diffusing of lime with Stress Away. It's in a lot of the tropical diffuser blends that you have for summer. So I was just replenishing my lime. I was running low on that. And then I have a bigger tube here. So I ordered Spearmint. And Spearmint comes in the 5 milliliter size. It comes in a smaller size. This was another one that I was just running low on, and so I decided to go ahead and order that. I love to add a drop or two of Spearmint to Citrus Fresh in the diffuser blend. Citrus Fresh is an essential oil blend of lots of citrus oils, but it has a little bit of spearmint in it. So I like to add 1 or 2 drops of this to kind of add a little kick to the spearmint in the diffuser blend. And then this one is a new one to me. This is Cilantro, and it is in a white label because it is a Vitality essential oil. And so the Vitality oils are designed to be used in food and drinks and recipes and things like that. So these are designed for internal consumption. I've never had the Cilantro Vitality essential oil, so I'm interested to smell it. It smells just like fresh cilantro. I do have some recipes that use cilantro, so I think it would be good to have this so I can just add a drop or two in that. I make a corn and bean salsa that uses cilantro, so this would be nice for that. And so that was a new oil for me. And then lastly in the package is a freebie for this month. So when you spend $100 or more with Young Living, they usually have some kind of freebie that goes along with your order. And so July's freebie was this little oil pouch right here. I'm gonna open it up. And so it looks like it would hold about 3 essential oils, and you could just put that inside your purse or wherever you wanted to put it. So I think I received for June for spending $100 was 10 loyalty points. So that's basically like $10 to put towards free items. So that was good. But for July, it was this little essential oil button pouch. So that's really cute. That's something I could throw in my purse with like 3 essential oils in there. And so that's my June order, which was the Shutran Beard Oil that's missing, the Lavender Bath Bombs, the Art Refreshing Toner, and the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. And in July, I had that Morning Start Bath and Shower Gel, the Shutran Beard Oil, the orange, the peppermint, the lime, spearmint, and then the cilantro essential oils, plus the little free essential oil pouch. So last but not least are the free items that I was able to purchase with my loyalty points. And so when you do loyalty orders, you get to bank 25% of whatever you spend back in points to put towards free items. And so every so often I will take some of those points and I'll spend them on things that I need, like supplements, or if I want to try something new. So let's see what I spent my points on. All right, so I guess I didn't realize that I had already ordered the lavender bath bombs, and so I have another package of the lavender bath bombs. My little girl is going to be really excited about that. And so I ordered the Multigreens Herbal Supplement. It says energizing greens with revitalizing oils formulated with Melissa Essential Oil. Let me read to you what it says in the book about the Multigreens supplements. All right, so Multigreens, it says Multigreens blends chlorophyll-rich botanicals, choline, and amino acids to support overall wellness. Pure rosemary, lemon, and Melissa essential oils are added to aid in absorption. And it says take 3 capsules 2 times daily, but I just take 1 a day just to help support my energy levels. And so it has just a lot of different greens in it, so that's a good one to help support your energy and your overall health and wellness. And then I have a tube, and in this tube I ordered another lime essential oil, and like I said, I've been diffusing this a lot during the summertime, so I got another one of those. And then one more tube. Oh yeah, I also ordered with my points a Grapefruit Essential Oil, another single. I was running low on grapefruit. This is another one that is used in a lot of the summertime diffuser blends, and so I just wanted to replenish that as well. And so those were all my free items using my loyalty points. I will leave my Young Living link below. That way if you want to go in and use that link to order anything, you can try something for yourself. And I'll be back very soon with my August loyalty order, but I also spent a few more points on some free items using my loyalty points. So if you have any questions, let me know, and until next time, bye guys.